Let us take a look at Dr. Coffee F11B. This is an automatic coffee machine with a removable huge 8-liter water tank. You can fill water up to the maximum line. This machine has an option to use water tank, the stock water tank, or water barrel. I recommend to set the setting to water tank and use water tank provided. The dimension of the machine is 41 cm width, 50 cm depth and 58 cm height. The machine weighs 70 kg. The bean hopper can contain 1 kg of coffee bean. It is using a ceramic burr for better consistency. The grind size is adjustable using this pin. You can adjust the grind size using the key provided. Simply need to put the key in, press down and rotate. It is always recommended to adjust the grind size when the grinder is moving. There is an opening for pre-ground coffee. This opening is also meant for cleaning tablet. We have a 7-inch colorful touchscreen here. I will explain about the control very soon. We have a spout with adjustable height. Once open up the cover, there is an adjustable knob to control milk temperature. The milk tube and the spout can be removed for thorough cleaning. The waste coffee cake container can contain up to approximately 70 pieces of waste coffee cake. This is the drain tray. It has a sensor so that the machine will notify when the drain tray is full. I have filled up the water tank and connect the machine to power source. Let us turn on the machine for the first time. We can set the language, English or whichever language, time format, the time and date. Once I save the information, the machine will not proceed to the next step. It is now filling water. For the first time, the pump will be a bit loud because the circuit is empty. We will check the system, heating up the machine. And rinsing. Is also racing through the milk tube. now ready to brew coffee. It has 8 beverages to select per screen and there are 4 screens. So there are a total of 32 preset beverages. Choose any beverages, the machine will prepare it automatically for you. Let's see what's in the menu. Wipe Protect is for you to wipe the screen. Press this button. Machine will freeze the screen for 15 seconds so that you can clean the screen. You can do a quick rinsing for milk tube and quick rinsing for brewer. In the service menu, the password is 1609. This is a default password. You can set the drinks, customize the drink to whichever you want. For example, let me choose cafe latte. You can select the coffee, amount of coffee from 1 to 5, for 5 being the strongest coffee and 1 being the weakest coffee. For example, I set number 5 for strongest coffee. How many ml of coffee? How many seconds of the tube drawing the milk, and how many seconds that the machine will perform on the heat up the milk to break the foam. And what's the temperature of the coffee, any pre-brew, and whether do you want to prepare coffee first or coffee last. The sequence of coffee and milk. So for example, I want to set it to coffee first. I press OK then, and I press save, then it will perform as what I've instructed it. Okay. And this is the way to power off the machine. Are you sure to power off? Yes. It will do automatic cleansing and rinsing of the brew system. Okay, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.